Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a review and demo of Taliah Waajid's Green Apple and Aloe line. Now, I hope I'm saying her name right, but let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna let y'all know that it smells exactly like green apples. It smells just like Granny Smith's apples, and those apples are the best in my opinion. So with my shampoos that I love when I'm able to lather it. When I don't lather it, I don't really feel like I'm really washing my hair or it's really cleansing my hair. And the fact that this lathered almost immediately, I absolutely love it. So this Green Apple and Aloe also has coconut in it. This line has so many benefits that I am just going to put it all throughout the video so you guys can see. But my hair feels super duper clean. It doesn't feel stripped or dry at all, which is definitely a plus for me because my hair is colored. So I decided to put the leave-in conditioner in while I was in the shower. I just wanted to put it on my hair when it was really wet. So I am just sectioning my hair into 4 sections just so that I can be sure that I apply it evenly. And I'm just putting it into 4 big twists. So I decided to do this Pinterest inspired hairstyle. When I seen the hairstyle, it was on straight hair, but I think I've seen a couple of naturals do it as well. So I want to try it and see how it will look with this particular hairstyle. So what I love about this curl definer, it is like a creamy butter type of curling cream. And I love that kind because my hair absolutely loves it. Like my hair just eats it all up. So I really love the fact that it's like a curling cream butter rather than a jelly. So just a few benefits about aloe is that if you have an itchy scalp, this helps prevent itching on your scalp. So this is definitely something that you can make a staple product, especially if you suffer from that. I know my boyfriend does because you know he has really long dreads, so his hair itches a little bit. So I would definitely be using this on his hair. And it also works as a great conditioner to leave your hair smooth and shiny. So I'm just making 4 little miniature ponytails with my rubber bands, and you're going to see that I'm just going to be crossing them over, so it will just be like a crisscross effect. Alright, so here's just a quick fun fact. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Taliah Waajid is the one who brings us the World Natural Hair Show in Atlanta. So let me know if you'll be going there this year. It's in April. I believe it's April 21st through the 22nd. So if you are going, let me know in the comments below. This also has coconut oil in it, and coconut oil is known to fight against dandruff and promote a healthy scalp, and it also prevents hair breakage and split ends. So now that I'm finished with my little ponytails, I'm just going to go ahead and start doing my braid and curl. So I'm just putting a little bit more of this curl definer on my hair, detangling it, and I'm braiding it about halfway down, and I'm going to be using the gray perm rods. So I'm just securing it at the bottom, making sure that it's super smooth, and then I am going to wrap it around. Just keep wrapping it around until I get to the top, and then bringing that over to secure it. So I am just going to go ahead and do this throughout my whole head, and I'm actually doing bigger braids. You can absolutely do smaller ones because you will get a more defined look, but I wanted bigger ones, so that's what I decided to do. But this also has silk protein in it, and if you don't know what that is, basically it just makes your hair super soft. It also strengthens the hair, and then it seals in the moisture on your scalp as well. All right, so that is my last one, and I am finally done. You want to make sure that your hair dries thoroughly, because if not, it's just the worst. So just make sure that your hair dries thoroughly. I let mine dry overnight, but you can always, sit under a hooded dryer if you would like to do that as well. So when taking out my perm rods, you want to make sure that you coat your hands with oil, just so it will prevent less frizz. And I love the gray perm rods because of the curl that it gives. I love that tight, smaller curl. Sometimes I won't, I feel good, sometimes I don't, I finesse down with the road, finesse. Might go down to G-O-D, wait. So I just coat my hands with some more oil, and then I start taking my braids out. You want to make sure that when you're taking your braids out, not to just rake your fingers through your braids. That's how I used to take out mine. It's just easier and faster, but you'll lose the curl, you'll get more frizz. So, try to be as careful as possible when taking out your braids. And let me just say, my hair is so soft. Y'all, my hair is so soft. It feels so good. And the definition that I have, my hair isn't crunchy, it isn't stiff. It's so soft and bouncy, and it has so much movement to it. I absolutely love this. And because my braids were bigger and I still got this type of definition, just speaks volumes to me, because I know that if I do smaller braids, of course I'm gonna get a more defined definition, but because my braids are so big and I'm still getting the same definition as I would if my braids were smaller, it's a win-win situation for me. So after I separated my curls just a little bit more, I decided to take my pick and go ahead and just fluff it out to my desired look. Just get that volume that I want, but only picking at my roots. Do not go through the curls, because and then you would have done all that for nothing. So just go ahead and pick out those roots and you will be all set. So this is my final look, and I absolutely love my results. But as you know, I love my high puffs, so I wanted to see what this looked like in a high puff. So I'm just pulling all of my hair up to the top, and then I am using my stretchy headband, the one that I know I'm not going to have any problems with, and just putting that around to create my high puff. And I am just going to take my pick and just pick out my puff just a little bit more. But this is my final look for real, for real. This is my second final look, and I absolutely love it. My curls are popping, okay? I love it. But that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you think about this line, if you have tried this line before or if you will be trying this line. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.